Well, hello. Happy day to you. Fancy meeting you here. I hope that you're enjoying your day. Welcome to the replay if you are not catching me live. Oh, wait. I'm not live. It's a fake live. You guys, I gotcha. No, just kidding. I know you knew. I'm wearing the same clothes from yesterday. Can't you tell? I'll probably wear the same clothes tomorrow too. And the same earrings. And then you'll know for sure. She's not live. She's on vacation. So welcome to the replay live, the fake live, the whatever you want to call it live. Hope you're having a great day. I so much appreciate you watching this. Thank you for tuning in. Let's check out our project, what we're going to do today. This is not what we're going to do today, but I am going to teach you how to reuse your surface. So this is an awesome Aiden board. It is in stock now. It's one of our inexpensive framed boards, and I love it because we have this boutique washable surface. Now, so this is something I made last fall, and it's ready to wash off. You can take one of our awesome paste scrapers, and you can actually scrape it off if it's dry. Did you know that? On our boutique surfaces, but I sprayed some of this. So you can also do it when it's wet. And look at that. So awesome. You can scrape it back and forth, get all of that, kind of pile it into one location where your water is, all that scraped off paste. And then I just like to take a little paper towel. I soak up the water, kind of wash this away. And then I throw that, I grab my board eraser. You know the board eraser that I'm always using to clean my transfers? It works, works on our boards too, right? So just get that all cleaned up, rinse off the board eraser, and you can dry this just like that with a nice towel, or you can take your, I love doing this. So take the inside part of our fuzzing towel, take the microfiber side, no lint, perfectly dry and clean board every time. So what I'm gonna do today is it's a pretty transfer. It's our botanicals collection. It's called Power of Beauty. And it has this really great Louisa May Alcott post. My words. Louisa May Alcott quote. I definitely need to fuzz this. So I'm going to just press it down on our fuzzing cloth. And I am going to do a nice autumn chalking here. Just kind of need to get it let's see if I can get it a little bit. Oh, I probably should have fuzzed it a couple times. It's super sticky. I'm going to put it a little bit up taller because I'm going to do a little ribbon at the bottom. You know me and my ribbons. There we go. The trick is you want to have absolutely no bubbles in here, and it looks good. So you guys, today we have restocking of so many of our chalk paste colors, so I'm going to highlight a few of them. We have our Shimmer Olive, Copper Shimmer, and our Shimmer Harvest. Beautiful colors. Now I'm going to go ahead and do the border is going to be our Shimmer Harvest. It is a beautiful golden yellow color. It's so pretty. I didn't think, when you look at it in the catalog, you don't know how pretty it is. until you see it on a board. So I highly recommend for all of your autumn and your warm colors that you're wanting, I definitely suggest grabbing this. All of our shimmer colors are amazing, but these three are like so great for fall. The fall leaves, just, you know, all the warmness of home. Super pretty. Okay, now I'm gonna do some shimmer copper on this, the word beauty. Okay, so I'm just gonna do the word beauty in the copper, and then our other words will be in the shimmer olive. Okay, looks good. Beautiful. Okay, if you are new and you're just tuning in for the first time, I would love it if you would type the word add me, or the words add me, into the comments. And if you do, I'll send you a quick message inviting you into my free customer group. It gives you a little more, like, you're going to get ideas, inspiration, and all of the insider information that you need to kind of know what Chalk Couture is all about, know how to use the products. You'll get ideas. We play games, give prizes. I have sales, all kinds of great stuff going on in my group. All right, you guys, here it is, the peel and reveal. But I still, of course, have to embellish. Oh, beauty. Look at that. We got a little bit off the edge here. I can clean that up with a little thing. So pretty. So pretty. Let me grab, I'm just gonna wipe that up real quick because our chalk is washable. So easy. Chalk is very forgiving. So if you make a mistake, you can wash it off. They're so easy to use, and if you need to redo it, you can redo it. But I'm not done. I am gonna embellish this, but I better dry it first. It's wet right now, but it needs to be dried. Let me go ahead and dry it. Have a little sip of my water. And while I'm drying this, let me tell you about our Club Couture. We have this awesome program. It is a subscription program called Club Couture. When you join, you become a preferred customer, and that means you're gonna get special promotions throughout the year. Every month is something different. But to join the subscription, it's just $19.99 a month, and you get a complete transfer plus 3 chalk paste color kit every single month. So just to get more information, type club in the comments and I'll send you the info. It's really easy. You can watch a video, read the details. It's super easy. This month, all of our club members are getting free shipping on every order. So it's really a great deal. All right, this should be dry. Let's go ahead and do some embellishing. Okay, so I'm gonna hold that there. I have with me, I have this pretty floral, and then a little white and gold, some like linen, a little orangish, and some other gold. And we are going to scrunch this up and put it over here. We're making a little messy bow to finish this off. Guys, if you have been curious about what it's like to be me, just kidding, what it's like to be a designer, type team in the comments today and I will send you a message where you'll get an invite into my opportunity group. I'm just gonna trim these up and kind of spread out the love of these colors. And then we have the sweet little, look at that. Okay, let me go ahead and do this so you guys can see. Isn't that cute? Well, thank you so much for joining. I appreciate it so much. Have an amazing rest of your day, you guys. Look at that, the Louisa May Alcott. The power of finding beauty in the humblest things make home happy and life lovely. Thanks for tuning in today, guys. Hope you had fun. This is available right now on my Chalk site as well as the Surface. So you can find that at chalkcouture.com/CreativeSarah. Bye, guys. Have a great day.